Hey there, welcome to this Orgaknow Academy video. We're thrilled to have you here. Today, we're diving into something powerful, the Engagement Insights Dashboard. If you've ever wondered how to truly understand what drives your workforce and how to boost performance, this is your golden ticket. Before we start analyzing the numbers, here's a quick tip. The dashboard features dynamic filters that allow you to slice and dice the data by employee status, department, nationality, education level, and gender. You can also apply filters directly within the chart itself. This means you're not just seeing the big picture, you're zooming into the details that matter most to you. It's all about clarity, relevance, and smarter decision-making. This dashboard isn't just numbers on a screen. It gives you a real-time pulse on your people, their motivation, satisfaction, and what keeps them engaged. Let's start with a quick overview. We have 90 employees, with an overall engagement rate of 72.3%. That gives us a solid snapshot of how connected our team is. But here's a red flag. The attrition rate sits at 28.9%, which is something we'll definitely want to keep an eye on. Now here's where things get interesting. Let's break it down by department. The legal team is crushing it with an 85.0% engagement rate. Most other departments are holding steady between 70 to 80%, which is great, but there's always room to grow. What's truly fascinating is understanding what matters most to employees, whether it's their environment, relationships, or that elusive work-life balance. When we dig deeper, we also see that gender doesn't seem to influence engagement much in legal or sales. Both male and female employees are equally invested. Age adds another layer. Employees in their 20s may be driven by growth opportunities, while those in their 50s might prioritize stability or recognition. This kind of data helps us meet people where they are. Performance ratings tell their own story. Employees who are top performers tend to show the highest engagement. Education level also shows some variation, whether it's bachelor's, master's, or doctoral degrees. Oh, and here's a cool global insight. Costa Rican employees lead the pack with a 90% engagement rate, followed by colleagues from England, Afghanistan, and the Czech Republic. It just goes to show how culture and workplace experience intersect. The big takeaway? These insights aren't just for reflection, they're for action. When organizations truly listen and respond to these metrics, they create workplaces where people thrive. Speaking of thriving, that's exactly what this 2-month Orgaknow Academy program is all about. You'll get live, instructor-led sessions in HR analytics and AI, plus a 1-month hands-on remote internship. And yes, you'll walk away with real skills and an experience letter to prove it. If you're ready to level up your HR game and lead with insight, now's the time. Click the link below to get started. And as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart ways to grow your career.